Hey guys, my name's Marty and I'm about to walk you through the steps of doing a beautiful miso basted Scotch fillet over live fire charcoals. And most importantly, with the meat, you want to get it at room temperature for at least an hour. You want to salt the meat because it's really important to get the seasoning into your meat. Get it in there early. And then we're going to brush them in a beautiful baste, which is made from miso paste. And we're going to go in with some sake. Now, I've got the melted butter in there already, and I'm going to go in with a tablespoon of, this is white miso paste, so you can get white miso and you can get dark miso. The miso and the soybean paste can be quite salty. You know, it's one of those things, you're building layers of flavor. You don't want to over salt it. So you want to try and taste every ingredient and how it's going to affect what it is that you're cooking. First side done. If your barbecue is really, really hot, try and create some cool zones in your barbecue, and literally that's splitting your barbecue in half. So you have a hot zone where all the charcoals are, then you have a cool zone, which is where I've got the butter basted over here. You want to make sure you get it off and you rest it. Now you let that rest, you can cover it, you can just leave it there for 5 to 10 minutes. You want to do it at least half the time you're cooking it, and the reason you do that is the meat relaxes, and then when we slice it, all that juicy deliciousness is still going to be in the steak, and that is what we are looking for.